Hi guys, my name is Bhooki and welcome to another sewing tutorial. In my last video, which I'll be linking in the card above and in the description box down below, I showed you guys how to draft a Japanese knot bag. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sew a reversible Japanese knot bag using the same pattern. If you're a beginner and you know how to sew lines and curves, you should be just fine. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. These are the tools I'll be using: a pair of fabric scissors, a black cotton fabric, a tartan fabric, and the Japanese knot bag pattern. To begin, I'm going to place the pattern on a fold for both fabrics, right sides facing each other, and cut out 4 pieces in total. A word of advice: if you're cutting a fabric that has a right and wrong side and you intend to cut them separately, please make sure you flip the pattern over for one of the pieces. If not, the bag handles will not match, trust me. Once I'm done, this is what I have: 2 pieces for both the outer and inner layers. Next, I'm going to sew the top handles and the side seams on a 1 cm seam allowance. For the side seams, I will start from the notch, which I have marked here, all the way to the other side, stopping at the notch. Please do not sew the sides of the handles. Once I'm done, I'm going to notch the curved corners on both pieces. This is to allow the bag lay flat. Next, I'm going to turn only one piece inside out and place it inside the other one. The tartan fabric I'm putting inside the black fabric has been turned right side out, while the black fabric is still wrong side out. Once I do that, I'm going to align them together, long handles together and short handles together. Once I'm done, I'm going to clip the inner edges of the bag together, just like so, and then sew on a 1 cm seam allowance. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to notch along the seam lines so I can easily turn it over. Once I do this, I'm going to turn the bag inside out by opening one side of the handle and pulling the inner fabric out. Once I'm done, I'm going to give the bag a good press and then top stitch to secure it. Finally, to close the side handles, I'm going to fold in 1 cm seam allowance. I suggest you take your time as this can be quite tricky. Also, I would suggest you fold and iron at the same time and secure with pins while you fold. Once I'm done, I'm going to top stitch. Now we're done and we have a reversible Japanese knot bag. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, my loves, have a good morning, afternoon or night. Bye.